So the idea for today will be to update the store page. Even also the itch.io store page, since I just need pictures for both. I don't think I will update the trailer, but we will see which videos we need to update. At the end, I just need to replace from the old video the new scenes. It won't take that much. Also, slow internet today. I should place a less requiring logo here. Yeah, makes sense. The one straight from the game, probably. Okay. Also, here in one of the screenshots, the hero doesn't have the wings. Okay, in this part of the story, the hero doesn't have the wings, but just for the sake of it, I should add him the wings, because it looks better. Looks way better. So, this is the Steamwork thing setup page. It's a long time I don't go here since I'm not updating the store page, for obvious reasons. Now though, it's the moment to return to do it. Mainly, we look to assets, probably. No, wait. It's a long time I don't go here. App admin, probably the other one. The store page. Here, graphical asset, here we go. So we have the pictures which are still updated. The screenshots needs to be updated. In every language. Die, esto no es un sueño. Tú realmente moriste. Y de una forma muy penosa y lamentable, debo decir. I don't know why I love Spanish. even if I don't know it, I can understand it fully. Tu racionamiento está completamente al revés. Wow. I might want to learn Spanish, I don't know. Thanks to the translator. So, first of all, let's check the old map with the updated graphics. I hear someone in the background. Yeah, it's your trailer. I hear you. So the idea is to redo the screenshots from the trailer or from the store page and update the store page. Before that, we may want to update, I don't know, to add something in the plugin. In the plugin we made last time. Because from this screenshot, for example, you can see the player is kinda centered, but since we made the last plugin, now the player will change the perspective or will change a little the camera based on where it's pointing. For example, if it's pointing up, the camera will zoom up, move up, and if I point down, it will move down. Even if I want to include a little bit of the river here, like this sort of visual, but with a camera or with the player one tile down. I could edit it, but maybe it would be easier to do it in the game. Also because there may be, or there are surely moments later in the game where I don't want the camera moving up and down. Of course, I don't want the plugin to be active at all time. So yeah, we just need to make the small adjustment to the plugin. I promise I will be quick and gentle. So, we got the small fixes here. And we made a small fix right here, right? Yeah, an update on Galcam control. So, here I set the offset. And here, I should have added more comments, probably. So I used this one here. So yeah, why I didn't add any comment. So I play a direction. Okay, here. What is this? Ah, okay, the actual direction from. Okay, for each coordinate, I kinda remember it. So here, probably if the value didn't change or did change, then it does something. Let's set here. Did changes. Here update the values. I want to break out of this, or I should just add another condition here to stop it from working if I need it. With a switch at this point. The easiest solution. So here it updates the values. I think I could let the game... No, it's fine. Let's add the extra condition here. So, all of this needs to apply, and the extra condition. Let's set it there, and then game switches is on. Which game switch will be using? I don't know. On or off? We can use it in the opposite way. So if it's active, it will stop camera movement. I think it's best. So we can use it even in the first ones. We don't have other important switches here, right? And let's go. So, camera forward. Okay, so if the switch number 2 is active, then the camera won't do anything. So, we add to the requirements, the switch needs to be off, so we can activate it when we need the camera to be stopped. For example, that's not really right though, but for now I will show you how it works. So, you activate this one, and now the camera won't change up and down, which is a problem though, because now the camera is going is focusing the upward direction. We want the camera to reset. So instead of a condition to stop the code from running, we should add another condition here. So those are the values that we set the camera normally. And the... I don't remember what are those for. Yeah, okay, only the vertical camera, only Y, because the X is not really important. The X is already pretty wide. That means we need to go to the default values on 4 and 6, so minus 20. We need to go to the default values when the switch is on. So we should probably set this one before. Have custom of asset Y of S2Y. Yeah, this one is set after the condition. We should intercept the value before. So value Y of the camera. Pretty straightforward, I know. And we intercept the value here. And we send later the value we will have. The index is not relevant, right? The index does not change. Okay, the index gets defined before here. So we just need to move this one before we actually make the call. Okay. Okay, nice. We set the index, we use the index to know the direction originally, but then we intercept everything. We change this value if the switch is on. Game switches, value number 2. If it's active, then it resets to the default one. We can use the second value, this one. Later, if we need something specific, we can change it, but for now, it defaults. It defaults. Let's see now if we have a better looking effect. First of all, we check if it still works. It does. It does indeed. Now, we activate, and until we move, it's still working. Why is it still working? Did I save? Okay, what's the problem? If game switches value to... Ah, we didn't set anything. Oops. Okay, that was probably the problem. I was missing the second part. So we set the value Y of the camera equal to the default value, which is for the horizon to moving left and right. Okay, now we should go pretty decently. So up and down, it works, and now it resets and it doesn't change anymore. Okay, perfect. So now we can go here and the camera is different. Just to make a comparison, we have this and we have this, which is not that noticeable, but you can see the river is way less there. So now it's moment to make a screenshot for the Steam page, but since that's not really a trick, more like common sense, but since we know this will be a featured screenshot in the store page, why not add or fix it however we need, right? Like, there's room for improvement. For example, the green part below, yeah, here is kinda weird, out of tune. So we could open the game tile set, for example, and give it a fix. So this will be temporary. We won't have this sort of upper ground anymore later. But since we are in the temporary demo, we can at least see what we can do with it. Okay, this is the color. This is not the green I want. So temporarily we can change the green the way we need. I don't know which way though. Yeah, the trick. What I found right was making it less yellow, so more on the blue. Saturation doesn't really matter, right? I think just this is a decent improvement. But you can make this even greener. As you can say, as you say, the neighbor has greener grass. Okay, here. Does it change the one below? Not that I notice. Okay. So now if we update the game, we see that, oh wow, it's looking, well, the style is not the same. It clashes a little. Also, you can walk on this. It clashes a little, but at least it's greener. Even the thing here is the wrong one, right? We need to use the other one. The other one, right? No, wait. Is it the right one, or I don't recognize it? Surely not this. Wait. Yeah, it's the wrong one. It's this one. Aha! Here we are. Okay, let me fix it right now. Slightly lighter, but also why not use the other? The other one is slightly different. Oh well, it's fine like this. For now, we will keep it like this. It doesn't matter that much. And now we return to our screenshot moment. So, slightly better. Still, the style is a little clashing, but it's temporary. And we should probably block the fences. Okay, that's something we did. Okay, now, how to improve this nice looking screenshot? Probably some grass, some darker glass here. We have this layer just for... no, too much. We have this faintly darker grass that surely helps. Okay, there it's a little empty. Unfortunately, yeah, just for the demo, I should add some extra tiles from the previous tile set. Since, well, I don't have an update for everything. Okay, those are fine. Let's see now. The only one I need actually is the no, it clashes so much. The grass one is a little better, but the color is not right. Let's see how it looks. Sure. We can add the one in the water though. This one is clearly better. Better than the previous one. Okay. I should add this even in the final version, maybe. I paid for the tile set. I'm using the whole tile set. Yeah, this one looks a little weird. Not a lot, though. Not a lot. It is looking kinda weird. Camera? Yeah, doesn't look like in the right style. Almost, though. It's almost passable. So if we instead add... Those are a little better. Those are way better, actually. So, anything else we can add? Unfortunately, no dirt in the road. You can see it's plenty different. Something here. Like another bush. Who doesn't love a bush? Every place looks weird though. A rock. A rock is better here. Oh, no, well, wait, there's too many rocks there. The problem is in mapping. A flower here. I can add a flower below the tree. Here. Looks a little weird. Maybe I should consider about a plugin to make me put tiles in between, but for now it's fine. A pot here. I think we don't need to add anything forcefully. We have the grass here. It's enough. Here it's 2. You may add... No, it's fine. Maybe I think we have enough material here to have a screenshot, right? What happens if we replace the fence with this one? I think it's better. Yeah, this one is a defense style. We just keep the final style for the fence at least. Okay. This one... It's not in the screenshot, but let's see if it matters. The old fence looked better on water. We can keep the old one for now. That's most of it. We can have our first screenshot maybe. If we are lucky. Do we feel lucky? I do feel lucky. Let's go. So, time for the screenshot. So we have here, stop the camera movement, okay, here. And now we have the right height. I think this screenshot looks fine. The pole maybe it's a little offsetting, but it's fine. So, to have full screenshots, We should capture the entire window and then crop the rest. Probably it's more precise. I also consider having the HD version of the game, but that requires a lot of extra effort, so no. Okay, so this is the first screenshot. It took us a while. We can group them all together. Let's do first the overworld screenshots. This one. Surely its sweet eyes are not used to make me lower my guard while another slime tries to sneak behind me. Okay. We should wait for the slime to come behind. But let's go. Also, I don't know if it will have a different effect. Wait. I realize now we are missing the respawn wings. Let's do it again. Wait. The trailer started again! Stop trailer! Okay. Screenshot again. This time with wings. Let's see the difference. The water is different. I need to check on the water level. Water color sooner or later. It has some purple linings that I don't really enjoy. Okay, here. Second screenshot time. The palms really give a different vibe, to be honest. Fun fact, I made those cuttable. You can cut those palm trees. I don't like the screenshot because the only flower is covered by the hero, so we should probably add more flowers. Also, there's Gop in the way, where Gop shouldn't be there now. Let me save. Let me get a sword. I need to cut down some Gops. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Thanks for the sword. I should add the skip to that scene. The third one, let's go. I'm sorry, Gop. Let's see if it works. I didn't check on it. Okay, only one frame is different, but it's fine. Should we keep Gop in the picture? Because it's technically possible to get the moment in the scene is by coming from the other checkpoint. Well, a problem for later. For now, the main problem is there are no flowers around here, which is pretty lame. There was a character from Data Live anime which only said like, that's lame. I don't remember how the voice actor said though. Konichinio or something similar. I don't know. Okay, it came to mind. So we may need to put a flower or anything here. We can just move this one or place the yellow one again. I should add more flowers. Yeah, the yellow one here looks nice. Or the bush. A bush here, I think it's pretty reasonable. Yes. Also, if we want to get fancy, we can add some green here. Which is something. Definitely something. Okay, that's probably all we need. We could get ourselves fancy with this one, but we don't need it. We can add it behind the palm tree because you can technically permanently cut the palm trees. And if you remove them, it looks pretty empty. Okay, let's go now. So we are trying to keep Gop and get this in here. But with Gop there are too many things going on. Maybe we can remove it. Also I can just move this flower since I'm here. Let's cut Gop. I'm sorry, Gop. I'm sorry, Gop. I'm safe. I'm safe. Unfortunately, I still didn't add anything if you cut it on the other side. I should, though. I should. Requires a lot of effort to go check on, to consider everything, though. So I need to think about it. So let's take the perfect screenshot. Oh wait, it gets a zoom. Wait, wrong action. Wrong action. I needed to just normally talk with him. Okay, Gop, sorry, I'm going fast. Eat. Nothing personal, Gop. Okay, here, this one. I now realize that the slime is going not in the wrong direction. Wait, what's happening with that slime? Also, is it normal or the text box is not high enough or not low enough? Let me check quickly on that banter here. Yeah, my bad on the. If you they. Okay, there are several things going wrong here. Though one thing that it's going right is the text box. Here is right, but on the world map it's not right. You see that there's the arrow to continue the text slightly below the text. While if I die, how do I die? I will go away. The banter, how is the text box? The text box is right. Why the hell does the text box change in the banter? Is it because of... No, it's not because of the switch. The switch to die. Probably there's... What happens if I respawn? Will it stay the same? Well, probably not, because here it's still wrong, right? Just to see though. Not Pog. Skip. I does save the death, but it's fine. Here the dialog box is fine. What about now? Now it's not right. It happens literally after the respawn dialogue. I need to check. That's weird. So this is the respawn dialogue. This one. This, it activates, removes every portrait, removes the skipping, reactivates the sword. I don't see anything that may have to do with anything, honestly. This witch gets deactivated? No, not really. Later. I'm confused. This one doesn't even autosave. The sword gets reactivated, but let's see if there's something there, but I don't think there's anything. You can return in the menu, which, why is it there, but I don't get it. We should get another test. So, let's get a dialogue on each step here. The same one. Then we can delete it. We need to undo one death though. That's usually what the goddess of death does, but we don't have her there for now. So, which death do we undo? The escape death, okay. Because we get the dialogue after the banter. Because I don't get it, the dialogue text box is right here. And in the scene after, there's no portrait? Ah, okay. Okay. There's no portrait because it doesn't actually run twice. Because there's a switch. I should deactivate even the switch, but it's fine because we just need what happens later. And here you can see that clearly the text box is aligned. Okay, I can even do this. Autosaves, and now it's misaligned. For whatever reason. I don't get it. Okay, so the problem is not there. Is it after the autosave? What happens after? Because autosave happens after. So there is something that runs after this. And maybe it's... I can run it after the autosave actually. Let's go. I don't even need to revert any death. Since it runs every time. Maybe. Skip. And... okay. And it's right. Weird. Maybe it's the portrait that makes it weird. I do not intend to stay here and fix everything. In a stream, well, any stream is a surprise, right? So maybe we can do this. I would have preferred to do something else. Okay. Random debug text on the bushes. As always. No, wrong one. I need to keep the first files pristine. Maybe. Oh, wait. Okay, so the problem is in the showing portraits. No, this one is... interacting with that one ruined it. Because... wait, why? Why? Now we can get some sort of solution. So, normal text. It's called this one. Probably this one. Normal text. Where are you? I swear it was somewhere here. I swear. Normal text. Here. Let's change the name. Okay. So it also, when it ends, calls this one. Does it call it? No. So the problem is not this one. It's this one. Because it sets the entire dialogue as 4 rows. So I just need to, at the end, set stop normal text. Because it will set the default rows to 3. And so, not ruin the text box. Weird that it doesn't do it by default. I think it should. Is this right? Let's see if the 3 by skipping the sign is right. Yeah, okay. It was a sign problem then, not a overword problem. Nice. And now it's solved. Nice. So, let's return to our business. Sorry, Gop. Nothing personal. Okay. Only that we can't really return to our business because this slime is not fine. We can just remove it from existence. We just need 2 other slimes. I think they are fine. More than enough. I still wonder how to remove the star. Hey, take it. Thanks, Artisio. You know how to put things into perspective. Oh, in time. Dodged it in time. Okay, so. No! I shouldn't attack the slime. Poor slime. My bad. I should also remove the extra dialogue here. The 2 extra dialogues, actually. 1, 2. And since I'm here, the dialogue in the grass here. The important part of debug things is that you need to remove them later. Okay, let's see. Interaction. Okay, this screen. Let's wait for the right moment. We can always alt tab. Yes, perfect. A little more. Just a little more. Okay, that's fine. So let's take a screenshot. Okay, we have it. Second screenshot gained. Why is the hero slightly higher? Oh well. Still a good screenshot. Wait! The text is not aligned correctly. What's the problem? Wait, what's with the text? Why normal text? That's a mistake. So the bug was there all along. Okay, let's do again the screenshot. This time for real. Okay. Let's wait a little more. Now the text is fine. Okay. A little more. Okay, now. Yes! We have it! You can see the difference with the text, right? That's pretty huge. Both can work, but honestly I prefer the second one. This one. Okay. How much time? 40 minutes for 2 Steam screenshots. We are doing fine. The game will release tomorrow. Do we have an extra map screenshot? No. And we have this one, the Mafia one, but... yeah, actually I should have took the one... we also got one screenshot wrong, actually. We can have this one without dialogue. No. Because the game needs to look like it's a visual novel. Or mostly a visual novel, with dialogues and all of that. Trailer, shut up! I will replace you later, don't worry. Do we have other things to do on the world map? on the exploration map? Oh wait, also realize the fence is missing some shadows. And even the boat. A lot of things are missing shadows. I should work on that. Not now though. Can we use this screenshot? I think it's kinda required. A text box. Also another thing, when you respawn I want to deactivate the camera scrolling. So when you die, yeah, you activate the stop camera forward. And I reactivate it only after we spawn. So it doesn't activate the first time we move. Okay. Now we just need to die and trigger the post-respawn dialogue. We can take... which one? We can go with the third one. From there, probably. I should... no, it's fine. Well, no, since I'm here I should get a backup. No, never mind. It was fine all this time. Skip. It doesn't center, perfect. And now this is way... okay, we need a earlier banter here. We need a earlier banter here. It's probably this one. Oh, this never happened before. What the hell? No, this never happened before. Ah, it's a... we can't even open the debug console. Ah, okay, here. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, it's... game map update scroll, so it's my edit problem. Nice to discover it now, though. it's a can control. So maybe it's a problem of what I did. What's the max stack problem? Oh, I hope I didn't mess up with my plugin. On 268. Did we maybe overwrite this? Let's see. Kinda? Which I mean, yes. So if return galv map update scroll. So yeah, it's probably the function we had. This one has a problem. I don't see a lot the maximum call stack size exceeded. Maybe it called itself too much times? Yeah, it's probably, yeah, it's something like that. You call other functions and you call too many functions. You're calling a function which in turn calls another function and so forth. Almost always because a recursive function. Okay, we can see how to deal with it. Because I surely don't want it to happen during any one other person playing. And probably it's due to this. Because it's calling himself. Wait. Are you calling it yourself? Okay, this one is the galv replacement of the default function. We can... No. We cannot even override it manually ourselves because it uses this function in the code. Oh, hi Halm! Hello there! I came from the void! So you don't return anything. It's a programmer joke, I'm sorry. Welcome, very appreciated. We were supposed to make cute screenshots for our game, but we may have some programming issues in the way. Classic life of a developer, I suppose. So this code is calling himself too many times. I would get upset too. So if the problem is it's calling yourself, it's calling itself too many times. Just to be sure. I might play some sort of check here to see if it's happening. I don't know what cam norm means though. We should check on the original code. So galv cam control. Here you are. And cam norm. What's cam norm? Okay. If the camera norm is not active, it sets it on the player. So probably sets that the camera is the default one from the engine. Ah, okay, I get it. So it replaces the old method replaces the vanilla method, and if we don't use the features, then it calls the original method, the vanilla. Okay, we can check if this really happens. So we place a condition here. Oh well, we place something. We place something else here, so we can log return to vanilla here. So if the problem is the hypothesis I have, we will see a lot of return to vanilla around. Yeah, that's how I debug. Should be this one. After I died, it happened, right? Let's die. Okay. Did it? I'm not really sure though. No, wait, that's not how it happened. Well, it didn't happen though. It didn't happen. Also, I got an idea for an extra death quote. Let me sign it down. Death quote is, it's never the end, never the end, never the end from Stanley Parable. Okay. So, the bug happened when I loaded this file. I saved. And I moved diagonally here. Nothing happened though now, of course, it never happened. Doesn't seem to be calling this one though. So this is not a problem. There's another problem. But I don't get why they stuck too deep, because the only one calling something else is this one. Did we just get unlucky? At least I know if the bug reappears, even on the user, I may know what's causing it. Okay. That's the best I can do for now, but I need to keep it in mind because I need to look forward it. I don't like when the gameplay gets ruined by this. Even if it's not a game about progress, so if it crashes one time, the game auto-saves every time. Not a big deal. Still, and that's not a good look in my favor, so I should be careful. So, what were we doing? We were getting new dialogues for the screenshots. Skip. Still hurts. Maybe the next that we should consider. Yeah, the next one. The next story death. Again, the game deaths are divided. The first time you die with a new object, a story banter appears. So that's how I call them. Now we should get. Why do I get bugs? They never happened before. Wait, I get the bug though. I get the bug. Actually, that was nice because I forgot about it. So this is a temporary map, and so the ID for the target map are all messed up. What means when you die by the sword, it resets a value that says that you just got it. Which I do when you die. Or when you respawn, or some of them. I don't know. Somewhere it happens, I swear. Here, Polizia post-mortem. Cleaning post-mortem. So, here. The sword is the ID number 51. And you can see here. Here, the 51 gets a value reset. But on the map number 2. This is not map number 2, so we can do something like this. We also reset the sword on map 41. Just for the demo. It waits nothing for the engine, so I can keep it even after in the game. Or just remove it at this point. Why did I reset? I still needed the dialogue. Oh well. Dead. And now, this one. This is the screenshot we want. Okay. We are up to 2 screenshots. Still something, right? Wait. The alignment is wrong. Do I care? It's fine. It's fine, right? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now. What do we do? We have 2 screenshots. Good progress. Let's go with this one. This is not a dream, he actually died. It's the first banter. So I have the debug option, so I don't actually need to replay all the game from the start, even if it's not a lot. But we need to make a small fix, because with the edit I did in the plugin, now all the faces are zoomed out, because it's considered to be in the overworld. So it's actually pretty simple. It's when you play new game while in the engine. No trailer! Not now! Shut up. I should also look forward into the Spanish language bug, because when you run the first time the game on Steam, sometimes it launches on Spanish for whatever reason. Well, I might have a suspicion, but that's not enough. So when you press new game and you are testing, you get sent to the map, the test map. This one. And this event gets called. And you choose which story to play. So, to be sure, Act 1. Okay, so just to be sure here I place the actually dead off on, so the banters will have the right resolution. Okay, new game. We are testing so screenshot mode, and we go first banter. Here we are. Also, you can see Leven here now because we increased the window size, but I don't think it's a problem. There's probably something else to fix about the stepping movement, but we can do it later. Does it say about a dream? Wait, she says about a dream next time. Yeah, next banter. So on the screenshot mode, it's the... this is not a dream, okay. It's in the title, really. It defaults on GOP. This is an... okay, after the hero talks again. Now. Perfect. I don't like the cut on the text here, but it's a Visus Stella problem, which I can't do anything except report a bug report. Wait, since we are here, is it too much to ask about the right position for the clouds? I should wait a little more for the clouds, probably. The one behind. In the meantime, how is your day? While we literally wait for clouds to move. I should add a speed up option if there's... Did I already have a speed up option? Yes, I do, actually. Yes, I do. Okay, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Okay, perfect. Perfect camera. Stay here. Say cheese. I'm not really convinced. Wait a moment. Just a little more. Okay, perfect. Cheese. Here we are. Even if the borders are a little empty here, I should consider something. Probably increase the size of the clouds here. I don't know. Okay. We are at 3 screenshots. Next one. Oh yeah, the backward reasoning, this one. Or any screenshot from the slime banter. Any works. Let's take this save file, probably enough. We can get the fast slime death. I removed sprinting because there's not a lot to move. And honestly, sprinting with a limited visual still isn't the best. Okay, this is the first death by slime. Let's go with the second one. Sorry, Gop. No, oh, wrong one. Oh well. We can wait our peaceful death. Oh wait, do I hear the trailer again? Again? Shut up, trailer. Okay. I wanted. Oh, wait, did I actually modify the zoom? Maybe the screenshot won't look the same now. Maybe for the best or the worst, I don't know. I don't really want to be talking about being drunk on the Steam page. This one is okay, but let's see if we can get a level 1. Okay, this one is looking good too, actually. Let's see if we can get a nice screen of this. Yeah, actually we have... Wait. I said this one. Shut up, give me... Okay. Sometimes Google doesn't copy what you screenshot here, I don't get it. Google, yeah, Windows. Same. This one is okay too, but... Wait, what's 11 part? Magic to alcohol. This one. This one looks better. Okay, this one, it's the same. We can get one of these either. I should wait for a better cloud. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, we got another screenshot. What's missing? Last one. Check for any black cats or upside clover. That's kinda for a screenshot. But I think it's fine to show the vibe of the game. This one, if I remember correctly, happens after you die a lot of times, but we can just skip to it. Here. I literally have one ready for the screenshots. Oh, sorry. Okay. We just have a typo. We just have a typo. Let me fix it right away. In English. So 11 extra was? Yes. Here. If yours day. Perfect. Okay, 11. I'm coming again. It's the clover. Right away. Coming right away. Perfect. Just for the Steam demo, I may... Oh no, just for the Steam page, I may want to add the new background. So we can get a screenshot from the end of the demo. The dialogues may kinda be spoilerish for the end of the demo. Just for the end of the demo though. But I could place one of the future dialogues in it, maybe, I don't know. I see what to do. Let's see if we have a decent screenshot or not. I didn't even test this part, to be honest. I don't think... Is it right? It's right, at least. Let's see if we have a screenshotable dialogue or... Pranking me, it's not the best one. I don't think I will use it, but just to have it, sure. Yeah, this is spoilerish. I don't think I want to use this. I will see if I can find any dialogue later in the game. Any moment now was fine. No, I don't want a screenshot saying just right. Because it doesn't tell a lot about the dialogues. I should, if I want to showcase the other background, I at least have to have a decent dialogue in it. Better than decent. No, I need better material there. And maybe I can took the opportunity to showcase the goddess of death. I don't know. I need still to adapt the drawing for the game, but it's ready. Okay, so those are our screenshots for the Steam page. So there's a pixel on the sides and a lot above. So 80 here and 70-20. We just need to move them a little. Perfect, right? Above is fine, below it's perfect. Okay, we got our screenshots. So, we do what we do best. We crop. I don't know, I was looking for a joke, but nothing came up. So, we have the screenshots here. This one also is outdated because the lighting is too yellow. I fixed that. Okay, so we need the muffin for each language, but I can update it later. English is the most important. So, upside down. Reasoning backwards, or I can choose the magic and alcohol. This one is actually fine. I don't really want to talk about alcohol in the store page, but works. I can replace the other one saying your reasoning is backwards. This one though, I don't know. It's slightly better. This one also is pretty fine. You died. And then we have a double here. I am a muffin. Come on, save. Okay. Oh, we'll do a screenshot for the other languages later. And that last one is this one. It's officially called the Slime Gang here. In PNGs, if I remember correctly. Yes, PNG. Okay. So, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, we have our 5 screenshots. That required a lot of work, but here we are. So, how do I update it? How do I update them? I don't remember. I can just drag them, right? So, the died here. It's for English. Let's see if it updates. Why? Here. It updated. Not the other languages, but of course I can't do much now. I'm a muffin here. And same for all the rest. We are doing well. Later we update the store page to see the difference. Reasoning backwards, we replace it with alcohol. Even if I fear page will get limited. Wait, I will check later, but I might, just for looking good, replace the dialogue there, because I like the visuals of the scene more. Even if compare magic to alcohol is a pretty good sentence to have, I don't know. Well, I know. And then, which one is the last one? Upside down. Which is too similar though to the other. All of those have Leven talking. There should be one where Leven doesn't talk. Or with a better camera. It's even in the same pose. Not same expression though. Okay, here. Does it automatically update or... Let's see. Oh, doesn't seem so. Oh well, we have time since I also want to update the other languages. Here. Save changes, I suppose. Store beta mode, okay, maybe we can see them there. Okay, yeah, we have the better... Okay, yeah, those are looking way better. Maybe the water is too blue, but... For the contrast, it looks fine. I can go straight away to the publish page. I will update later the rest. Differences? Ah, wait, there's a lot of changes here. What do you mean? Okay, I changed the Discord or the links and the pictures in English. Okay. And the clan, the clan account ID gets added. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. Ha, easy here. Now I'm in the clan 0. Sounds pretty edgy, I would say. I am clan 0 from now on. Call me Waldorf from the clan 0. We can add something more to make it more edgy. I don't know, like Dark Waldorf from clan 0. Yeah, we are on the right track actually. Let's see now. Let's see what Dark Waldorf from the clan 0 added to the Steam page. Okay, looking pretty well. We have this picture, which now is also in increased size. Not really HD, but I can't really do it HD. Or maybe I can, if I make a full screen resolution and shrink it back to zoom it 3 times instead of 2. I think it's looking way better now. Oh, I may want to change the last one with a screenshot of later in the game. Maybe with the Goddess of Death, I don't know. Since I ever. For now though, the priority was to update the store page. And since we are here, we can update this one. Wait, no, we are missing something. We can't really update the store page without updating the game, right? Let's try again. So everything is set, actually, right? We don't have a lot of things that need some fixing. There are a bunch of things that need fixing, but just very minor things. Oh no, the trailer is starting again. I need to update the trailer sooner or later. Or better sooner. Unfortunately, I need a final version sooner or later because I've seen better trailers, just to be very polite. I've seen better trailer. Oh yeah, there's the bug of the intro in the game, I forgot. Which probably will be easily solved, but I will show you. So, it opens with the light and it's there for some reason. It's zoomed though. I wonder why it's in the wrong place. It's... I get it, I get it. I get it why. Because the zoom is not yet in place. So we need to zoom it before, or pretend it's not zooming. I don't know. Yeah, we need to apply the zoom first. Only then it will look decent. Okay, we can go probably here. Yes. First time I hear this Omori remix. Hey, hey, hey. Maybe with the zoom before. Let's see. No. Nope. And maybe without zoom? What if I don't have a black screen? Let's see if I don't have a black screen. What happens exactly? We have a zoom. We have the zoom. The zoom is there, so... It's the coordinate movement which is wrong. Well, to be honest, this picture is kinda different from the others, because it's slightly taller, so I need to place it correctly. Still a problem though. So, this is what shows the picture. Ah, it's in other. Other. It's another folder. And being into another folder, it follows different rules. Okay, I get the problem. Eesh. Okay, at least I can kinda hard code it, this one. But let's see if we can do something better. So. Probably it's the code from... I don't know. Let's open the face plugin. So, the code works mainly on the pictures on the face core, not in the... Wait, which is it? The pose, okay, not, and without any expression. Why can't I put it on the other side? I'm sorry, but what if I put the torch, the old version of the torch? Yeah, so nice. Ah, I love both of them. So if I put it like here, will this work? Let's make a, well, not really a backup, but without having to revert it back here. Where is it? Here, okay. Oh yeah, fun fact, in the trailer the hero is wearing the... Ah, he's not actually. I should add the wings on the trailer. No, I think it's fine in the trailer like this, okay. But technically there's a version of the hero with wings holding the torch. Even if it never appears. I may have an idea to make it appear though. Just when Deven is explaining again the prophecy. Finger crossed. The same. It's the same. Hi Michael, how it's going? Lurking. For gacha. You're greedy today, huh Michael? Let's go. So, gacha 1, gacha 2. And Spoony is coming! But what a nice surprise! How are you doing? How did the drawing end up? Did we have fun with your file system from Windows stripping. I know where when I went away you continued tripping on your Windows file system, I'm pretty sure. Like opening files, opening images, changing the source from the VTuber model to other images. Or maybe it's something else. How it's going? We are trying to debug this thing from the game, from the hero appearing in the wrong corner for like 5 minutes. Not a lot, to be honest. We are so close to update the old demo from the Steam store, but we need to fix this bug. We took like 1 hour to take those screenshots for the Steam demo before they were a little different. Well, something like this. There's a pretty big difference between them, mainly in style. And now this portrait really doesn't want to cooperate. Let's see if I messed up something. Okay, yeah, no, I didn't. I should maybe hard code it. Oh no, the trailer. It's like the 4th time the trailer runs again in the background. Okay, I think the best solution is to hard code it, maybe. It's only one picture that appears only 1 or 2 times in the game, so I don't think it's pretty much a big deal in any case or sort. I ran into this sort of stuff with Rampy. Well, here it's a little more messed up because in the overworld I zoomed the camera twice. But the pictures gets zoomed in. The trailer again! Shut up! Stop, mute. Since I zoom on the overworld but not in the visual novel parts, the dialogues in the overworld get zoomed, so I added extra code to avoid or to adjust the position in the zoom, but these pictures follows other sort of rules outside of the 4 dimensions we know and basic rules of programming. It goes like completely away from every single rule we know. So yeah, that's causing me some problems. But luckily I already coded something for it. Forced parameters. I can force pretty much whatever coordinate parameter I want. And nothing will stop me now. We can go with Y like 300 and X we can go a little more, 300. The problem is it needs to align with the portrait, which will appear later, so I don't think it will be this easy. But I can try. Okay, Spoonie, thanks a lot for the raid. Don't worry, I fully understand after a raid, after a stream everyone is tired, so I appreciate the lurk. Yeah, we maybe exaggerated a lot. Yeah, because in the zoomed version, every pixel is actually 2 pixels. At least it's something. At least it's a movement in the right direction. Okay, yeah, Michael, I was a little focused on the raid. I delayed to later. Let's go with the other one, other loot boxes. So, there's Modern Gale. There is and Ophelia. Okay, you got all the basic cast and Ophelia from Octopath Traveler. Please, Square Enix, don't sue me. It's just a RPG Maker character, kinda looking like Ophelia. Actually, it's an OC, which is looking like Ophelia because she's a big fan of Octopath Traveler, and it's yeah, I'm trying to find my way out of a legal court. Nah. Square Enix won't sue for that. For that, right? Right. What I was doing, yeah, the parameters. That's not really intuitive to set, because I need to be pretty precise. It's way too low though. Probably I should half the values, or even reduce it by a lot. Yeah, I probably went overboard with the values. Ophelia Insta Switch. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's going for everything. Oh, actually, I got a pretty big news. I'm trying to find a job. And I realize everyone wants, how it's called, Angular. So I started studying it. Since everyone wants Angular, everyone. Also, the portrait is not updated. You can see there's a brown cut in the haircut here. It's decently easy to fix though. So, still lower. And still slightly on the left, right? Is also the zoom not right? No, should be right. So why a little lower? So 50, maybe it's still too much. And X is way lower. I hope it's still enough. I'm starting to study Angular too, if you want some help. We could study Angular together. I still don't know what Angular is for, but I'm studying it. Probably to do apps of any sort, but honestly, I don't know when. I still don't know the practical uses, but I suppose a lot, since everyone wants them, right? Okay, just slightly lower and maybe we are fine. Like 193. Wait, does this get overridden by the zoom? I can do another trick even, but for now let's see if this works. We are pretty close. I finished to study the directives and I have to focus on modus. I only started with the basis, actually. Wait, yeah, something is wrong and it's not with my world map. The resolution is wrong. It's smaller. Yes, because I changed game resolution and I didn't update this one. Duh. As they say, duh. Okay, the problem was crystal clear. The picture resolution was wrong. Here. Probably 1477, okay. Oh wait, no, here I'm just losing resolution. I should edit the original one. So, where's the hero? Light pause. It might take a while because it's a very high resolution. So, 1477. Big cubic. And go. Angular is made for big and scalar application. Ah, okay, yeah, that's right. What big companies want? Scalar. Everything is scaling. Everything is built to scale. Just to name drop a game jam. Okay, we have it right this time. Wait, I cannot even save it, right? Because it's open in another window. We need to close it. Save, please. Be fast. Okay, here. Now we can just add a name. I don't think it still works because everything was so offset. I should at least move it upwards a lot. Or a little, let's see. Give a sort of dynamic HTML. Yeah, it seemed like a professional item where you can use like for anything. I suppose I need to add it to my curriculum. Recently maybe now the default parameters are right then. Let me try. Default parameters are 0 minus 23. 0 minus 23. So all that fuss about wrong coordinates was because the resolution was wrong. As they say, the New Year resolution, right? Yeah, so... Okay, almost. Almost. Was that the minus 23? Yeah, it's the minus 23. So I just need the default parameters for everything. You can put if switches and 4 in the HTML itself. That sounds pretty cool. And get more pages and linking them all together and stuff. TypeScript. I skip TypeScript. Who needs TypeScript? It's like JavaScript, right? No, I should really study more TypeScript too. That's right. Okay, we got it right. It was easy, right? Okay, and it changes seemingly. That's awesome. Okay, so we got the intro. Do we need anything? We fixed this. Does the outro work? I suppose. Yeah, it was kinda working. We saw it. The whole is working. I didn't test it, but I suppose I can do a playthrough of testing by my own. Only one, because mostly it's graphical part. So if something graphical doesn't work, I can just change the picture. Programmingly, code-wise, it's the same as the other demo. So at least I don't have to. I only have to test that it runs at this point. Oh yeah, there was the bug of there was a GOP frame that was wrong. I don't know when. At some point there was a GOP face that was kinda weird. At the end when it falls, right? Not this one. Yeah, there is an extra frame, I remember. This one. Yes, here it is. There is an extra frame. Oh wait, I don't have this one. That's why it's there. I don't have the extra GOP. The version of GOP, we have first GOP, second GOP, third GOP. Later, if I have some money on the next Christmas, I need to commission an artist to do the GOP Christmas tree. I need it. I need it. I need it. Okay, yeah, I need to edit this one. Okay, that's why there was a wrong frame. We can fix it later. Yeah, no, I know what TypeScript is. I just don't know the syntaxes of it. I kinda understand why TypeScript is coming from. It adds more safeness to the coding, so if you code something wrong, you understand it earlier, but only works when you are hiring people that you don't trust. Personally, I don't need to say, oh, okay, this variable is a string, because later if we have a bug and this thing is not a string anymore, we can understand what happens. But I'm thinking, I'm decently careful. I will never assign this number to a string, right? But it's not I don't have a company mind, a company mentality. Also because I'm not working in a company-wide project. I'm working now on my small project. But small compared to their projects, of course. So if I even have a problem about assigning an integer to a float, I will probably find it because the project is fairly small compared to the others, of course. Okay, that's the most we needed to do. Just to be sure, we can check the final. Or we can check two small things. And there are three actually. By GOP, I should check the spikes. Yeah, okay, here. I need to... I want to change the perspective that goes a little higher and a little lower here when I go up and down, but not when I face down and up. Let's see if the puzzle still works. Okay. Oh, the bush is walk. Why everything is walkable? Why? 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 Oh well. Wait, this one is walkable. Maybe there's something that's... yeah, we have leftover. Probably there's some leftovers. Oh well. I fell for my own trap. Oh. Maybe there needs to be a camera zoom there, but it's fine. So we can just solve the puzzle again. Easy. Ah, there's another leftover here I can't really pass. Okay, let's see if I am... Ah, the orbs are the old ones. Let's see if I remember the puzzle. Yeah, I probably do. Do I remember the puzzle? Yeah, there. This one on the other one. If I take this one... Okay, it's this one. Okay. Just to see if the latter part of the game works. Maybe yep, safe. Oh, here also... Oh, yeah, there's a problem with the zoom here. The zoom only zooms in the center of the map. It doesn't go on the borders. So I need to extend the screen here. But it's fine. And see if the final part happens. Okay, you're the last character. You got Colin. Okay, Michael. We will end right here, actually. So, if you want to stay for just one more 30 seconds for the raid, we just check if the end is working. Just if the title screen are rolling. I can roll them right now, actually. Also, we remove the title drop here because it's kinda cringe. I want to make another joke for the title drop in the full game, okay? That's why I'm removing it. Okay. So, let's see if we can raid someone. Let's see, we have a lot of raid power. We can raid... Miss Blob, they're playing Stardew Valley. Okay. Or we can raid Miridae. Let's go towards Miridae. I enjoy their content a lot. So, Miridae the giraffe. Also, we have a good raid power today, yes! Thanks everyone for coming. So, we will continue game development the day after tomorrow. We are gonna work on a side project. While we will continue Respawn Banter the next week. And hopefully the demo will release this week. The updated demo. Because Monday we are gonna... There's probably a collab with Megami Maju and... Probably we're gonna play my games together. So the demo needs to be updated. So, thanks a lot. And we'll see ya whenever happens.